Hello student, welcome back to BEHS Sumati Academy. This is your science teacher Rasmi Dikshit. So again today we have to start our new chapter, that is chapter 13, simple machines. Okay, as it is not a new topic for us because already we have learned this topic in class 4, what is simple machine. But again I will explain this what is simple machine. So in a simple language, if we will talk about the simple machine, so anything which we are using in our daily life for making our work easier. Okay, any things which we are using, uh, any things which we are using, or any tool which we are using for making our work easier is known as a simple machine. Means even a simple spoon to opening a lid of a box which is kept in a kitchen, it is, the spoon is also act like a simple machine. If we are using a scissor to cut something, that means scissor is also a simple machine. If we are using a zip to close our jacket, that means zip is also a simple machine. That means any tools or any things which makes our work easier, that is known as a simple machine. So basically what the simple machine does, simple machine just make our work easier by applying a force in a correct direction or at a correct point, or by changing the direction of force. Means maybe it happened we are just applying a force in the wrong direction, so that's why we are not able to work that specific work easily. So what happened by using the simple machine? So simple machine basically what does, simple machine does, it first, it make our works by applying a force in a correct direction at a correct point, or by changing the direction of the force which we are applying on a any work or any object. So now what are the simple machines? Means there are some simple machines are there, like a lever, inclined plane, pulley, wheel and axle, screw and wedge. Means one by one we will talk about each type of simple machine. Next, if we will say simple machine is a very small tool, we can say, which make our works easier. Then what about the big machines? So if there are so many big machines also there, I admit, but a single big machine is also made up of many combination of simple machine. Means there are so many combination of simple machines for making up big machines, okay, or heavy machines. Now if we will talk about the lever, so lever, again I explain you, I have already told you that it is also a simple machine. That means it makes our work easier. So what it does, so lever basically what does, if we are applying a force, so what lever does, it just apply a force in such a way that our work will be easier. Or what it does, a lever just help in exerting force in a such a way that makes our work easier, or it just apply our force. Means we have to apply the force, that is clear, but it make our applied force in such a way that our work will be easier. Okay, and if we will talk about that, if we have to pull a nail from a wooden plank, okay, without any tools, just from by just with our bare hands, so what happened, it will be very difficult, okay, to just pull out the nail from the wooden. So if in place of our bare hand, if we will use a lever, so what happened, easily we can pull out that nail. That means lever make our work easier. If we are in a kitchen and there is a lid in a box, and that is very tight and we are not able to open this lid, so what we does, what we do, we just use a spoon, and from the back side of a spoon we just easily open the lid of that box. That means in that condition spoon acts like a lever. because it makes our work easier. It help us to open the box. Okay. Now if I say we have to lift a big rock, now what is it? We are not the superman, we are not able to lift up that big rock. So what happened, we can see in the picture, if we will use this a single wooden rod and a small stone, that means with the help of both things we can easily lift up that load, or we can easily lift up that rock. That means we have make a simple machine. Now there are some basic points which we have to keep our mind, which we have to use later. Second, first thing, what the big rock. So first, what is load in this, we have to keep in our mind load. So the rock which we have to lift up, this will be defined as a load. And effort, what is effort, means that will be defined as a e. So effort, what is the effort, the force which a boy is applying to or the force which is exerting by a boy, or the force used by the boy is known as a effort which is applying to lift up a load. Next is fulcrum, that is the small stone is act like a fulcrum. So fulcrum, whatever it is, a point of a support. A pivot point क्या होता है, oh sorry, pivot, what is the pivot point, pivot point we can also say the point of support where the rod get the support to lift up the big load or to lift up the big rock. This is a point fulcrum, which is in this figure a small stone acts like a fulcrum. Okay, so this is a lever. Next we will learn about in the next live class. Okay, thank you.